Good day everyone. This is our video presentation for our subject in Introduction to Computing under our Professor Ma'am Sherilyn Pamintuan, and this video ay pag-uusapan natin si Windows 11. Si Windows ay isang operating system na para sa laptop or desktop computer. And Windows OS are developed, marketed, and sold by Microsoft. Microsoft Windows ay nagsimula noong 1981 noong nagsimula ang Microsoft sa paggawa ng program kung tawagin ay Interface Manager. At dito, in-announce ni Microsoft ang ginawa nilang program noong 1983 under the name Windows. In 1945, meron na silang higit na 40 operating system si Windows. Meron silang Microsoft 1.0, Microsoft 2.0, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows ME, blah blah blah, so on so forth. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa latest nilang Windows OS, kundi ang Windows 11. So, but before we start, I am John Leonard Agustin, and mga kasama ko na magpe-present ngayon ay sina Macjan De Laga and si JC Alburo, and we are from BSIT 17.
My name is Macjan Laga and the next reporter. So today I'm gonna discuss about the Windows 11 basic key features. So ano nga ba yung mga bago at yung mga basic features ng Windows 11? So una, yung start menu. Of all the new Windows 11 features, the new launcher style floating start menu is the most distinctive part of Microsoft's next generation desktop operating system. Unlike the traditional start menu, the new start, as Microsoft is calling it, sits right at the center of the taskbar. So makikita nyo sa start menu is nasa gitna na yung start menu niya. So parang kagaya siya ng Mac OS. Ayan, parang ginaya niya doon na nasa gitna yung start menu. So next is Action Center. You can now simply click on Unified Wi-Fi, Volume, and Battery button to open the new Action Center. It packs all the necessary controls, including brightness and volume sliders. You can also add more toggles like before. So dito sa new Action Center is bago na yung mga button niya. And di na siya gaya nung nasa Windows 10, nakiklik mo pa yung bawat icon niya para lumabas yung volume, Wi-Fi, o di kaya iba pang settings. So, dito, nandun na siya lahat. So, yung pag-volume niya, nandun na rin. Yung brightness, nandyan na rin. So, nandyan na lahat. So, dito sa Action Center is pwede ka rin magdagdag at mag-remove ng toggles button. Ayan. So, Universal Media Control. You can now control all your media playback from the new Action Center in Windows 11. No matter if you are playing a YouTube video, Spotify playlist, a Twitter clip, or a local video, everything shows up in the Action Center. So, dito, sa Universal Media Control is may kita mo yung um, yung media playback control. Ayan, kapag nag-play ka ng certain application like YouTube videos, Spotify, Twitter, and anything software is may kita niya na yung yung playlist button niya. So, next is File Explorer. The new File Explorer is functional and has all the features you need. You now have colorful new icons, a new context menu, and a command bar up top, which replace the existing ribbon menu bar. So, dito sa File Explorer is may kita nyo na yung bago. Is natanggal na yung ribbon menu bar na yung sa Windows 10 is natanggal sa Windows 11 yung File, Share, and View niya sa taas, di ba? So, yung bago niya ring new context menu sa File Explorer. So, ang natanggal lang doon is yung refresh button. Hindi mo na may refresh yung file mo sa File Explorer. And may kita nyo na Um, may mga bagong icons na rin siya sa bawat menu context menu niya, di ba? And the next is redesign setting apps. The setting page has been neatly categorized with menus and submenus, along with a static menu pane at the left. You also have breadcrumbs for easy navigations and expandable settings options for improved clarity. So dito, nabago na yung settings app sa Windows 11. So, yung mga settings niya is nandun na lahat. And di mo na kailangan mag-back, di ba? Hindi gaya ng Windows 10 na magbaback ka para pindutin pa yung isang setting na kailangan mo. So, dito, pag clinic mo na yung system, tas display, is lalabas na yung ano niya, yung settings na nandun. So, next is snap layout and other new multitasking features. Snapping, snapping was already great on Windows 10, but Microsoft has taken it a notch farther with easier snap assist. This feature is called snap layouts. Now, when you hover mouse pointer over a Windows maximize button, you will find various layouts for how you want to position the window. You can also invoke the snap layout option with the Win plus Z button which keyboard shortcut. If you use a large monitor, this will help maximize your productivity. So dito, yung new features ng Windows 11 is snap layout which is kapag pinunta mo siya sa click nyo pala yung maximize button tapos um, drinag nyo to the box is magiging ganun yung position niya. Ayan. So, faster Windows update. So, dito Windows 11, you will have a much faster Windows update process thanks to the background installation mechanism. Ayan. Microsoft has promised that Windows update will now be 40% smaller, making the process even more efficient. So, dito sa Windows 11 is yung update niya is mas pinabilis dahil sa background installation mechanism. Ayan. And yung bago niya rin is may kita nyo na yung time limit na pag-update kung gaano ba yun katagal. Ayan. So next is new context menu and rounded corners. So sa Windows 11 has finally brought a modern context menu sans the sharpest corner. It gels with the overall Windows 11 aesthetics. Besides that, you will find the rounded corners everywhere. So dito, may kita nyo sa context menu niya is naka-rounded corner na siya. And may mga bagong context menu siya and icon. Ayan. So, next is voice typing. Voice typing is among my favorite Windows 11 features as it makes typing much easier and acts as a great accessibility tool. You just need to press the Windows 11 keyboard shortcut, which is Win plus H button, and you can dictate whatever you want to write. So, dito, ang kailangan mo lang para mabuksan yung Windows typing is um, Win plus H button lang. So, kapag pinindot nyo yung mic button, tapos nagsalita kayo, magre-rewrite siya sa notepad. Ayan. Kung ano, and anything text application yan. Ayan. New minimal lock screen. While everyone is pumped up about the new design and what is inside Windows 11, let me tell you that the new lock screen on Windows 11 looks stunning as well. It applies a clear acrylic blur in the background, and the new variable Sigri UI font makes things even better. So dito, may bago lang wallpaper si Windows 11. And yung nagbago lang niya sa kanya is nasa gitna na yung time, date, and the day today, di ba? Sa gitna siya. Which is more parang mas nakakapogi ganun. So next is snappy animations. One of the best features of Windows 11 is fluid animations across the UI. Open the new Start Launcher or any app from the taskbar, you will see a cool bouncy animation. So dito may kita nyo na kapag clinic nyo isang um, application or settings, ganun, um, magbabounce yung ano, yung pagpindot niya. So parang ito yung magiging UI animation UI niya dito. Ganda, di ba? So Windows 11 widgets. It's interesting to see how much Microsoft indulged in mobile driving designed for its next generation desktop OS. With Windows 11, Microsoft has brought widgets where you can find all kinds of information with just a click. So dito sa Windows 10 naman, hindi naman nawala yung widgets niya. Parang may nagbago lang is nasa gilid na yung widgets niya. And may nagbago rin ata yung may mga bagong widgets na dinagdag sa Windows 11. So next is new Microsoft Store. The newly designed Microsoft Store is another great new features of Windows 11. It's built from the ground up and now it supports Windows 32, that Windows 32, .NET, UWP, Xamarin, Electron, React Native, Java, and even progressive web apps. You can even find themes and extensions for Microsoft Edge on the new Microsoft Store. So dito yung nagbago lang is yung Microsoft Store niya. Ayan. So comparing Windows 10 and Windows 11. Start, sa left side niya is the Windows 10 and the right side is the Windows 11. So ang pinagkaiba niya dito sa pag ikukumpara natin is parang mas nakakalito yung Windows 10. Kasi yung ibang apps dito is hindi nagagana. Parang pag pinindot mo siya, may mga lalabas pa dyan na kung ano-ano. So, dito naman is may kita mo sa Windows 11 na nandiyan yung mga apps na mas nagagamit mo ganun. Ayan, may recommended and yung mga napin mong mga apps para mas mabilis mong pindutin yung mga apps na kailangan mo. Ayan. So, new context menu and rounded corners. So, dito may mga bago na rin. So, may kita nyo sa notepad which is sharp corners. So, dito naman sa Windows 11, rounded corners na rin siya. I think lahat sa application is sharp button na ata. Then, sa Windows 11, rounded corners na rin. So, new action center. So, dito, sa um, sa Windows 10 is yung action center niya is nandun nga lahat pero kailangan mo pa pumunta sa settings niya. Dito naman is nandun na lahat. Kumbaga pipindutin mo lang tas magvo-volume ka lang ganun. Lahat ng pwede ka rin magdagdag ng toggle button dyan. Ayan. Lock screen. So dito sa lock screen is sa Windows 10 sa, nasa bottom left corner siya. So dito naman sa Windows 11 nasa center na siya. Ayan. May mga bago na ring wallpaper. Ayan. Multiple desktop. So, dito lang naman is, meron naman sa Windows 11 na multiple desktop or, kumbaga, mas pinaano lang. Parang mas pinaganda which is, may kita nyo na blur yung background niya and you can now adding more desktop. So, dito, kagaya rin naman siya sa Windows 10. Um, baka may dinagdag lang sila dyan na certain na update. Yan. So, widgets. So, dito, nakikita nyo nga, nasa gilid na yung widgets niya. Tapos, dito, sa Windows 10 is nasa right side siya. So, snap layout and others new features, multitasking features. So, dito sa Windows 10, pag pinindot mo yung maximize is lalaki lang siya. So, pag dito naman sa maximize sa Windows 11 is may kita nyo na yung snap layout niyo kung anong gusto mong position na para sa application mo. Ayan, may bago na. So, dito, Windows Update. So, sa Windows 10 is, which is more slow update, diba? And, minsan, di mo alam kung gaano katagal pa yung pag-update niya. So, sa Windows 11 naman, may estimate time na siya para mag-update. Ayan. So, mas mabilis na rin yung pag-update niya dahil sa background installation mechanism. Ayan. Next. Ay, wala na pala. Ayun lang. Thank you.
So in this part, this is Windows 11 system requirements. Then, ano-ano nga ba ang hardware requirements ng Windows 11? First, to install or upgrade to Windows 11, your device must meet the following minimum hardware requirements. First, processor. Your device must 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip. Second, RAM. Your device must have 4 gigabytes of RAM or greater. Storage, 64 GB or greater available storage is required to install Windows 11. Extra storage space might be required to download updates and enable specific features. Graphics card, compatible with DirectX 12 or later, with a WDDM 2.0 driver. Next is system firmware. UEFI secure boot capable, and display high definition 720p display or greater monitor, 8 bits per color channel. What is the operating system requirements? Eligible Windows 10 device must be on version 2004 or later and have installed the September 14, 2021 security update or later to upgrade directly to Windows 11. Note, again, S mode is only support on the home edition of Windows 11. If you are running a different edition of Windows in S mode, you will need to first switch out of S mode prior to upgrading. Switching a device out of Windows 10 in S mode is also requires an internet connectivity. If you switch out of S mode, you cannot switch back to S mode later. Then, this is the feature-specific requirements. Some features in Windows 11 have required beyond those requirements listed above. See the following list of features and associated requirements. Ito yung mga features kung sakaling ikaw ay mag-Windows 11. Then, ito yung requirements para ma-activate mo yung or magamit mo yung features. First is 5G support, requires 5G capable modem. Then auto HDR requires HDR monitor driver. BitLocker to go requires a USB flash drive. This feature is available in Windows Pro and above editions. Client Hyper 5 or V requires a processor with second level address translations or slot capabilities. This Cortana requires a microphone and speaker and is currently available on Windows 11 for Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Spain, United Kingdom, and United States. Direct storage requires an NVMe SSD to store and run games that use the standard NVMe Express controller, driver, and a DirectX GPU with shader model 6.0 support. Then DirectX Ultimate, available with supported games and graphics chips. Presence requires a sensor that can detect human distance from device or intent to interact with device. Intelligent video conferencing requires video camera, microphone and speaker, and audio output. In multiple voice assistant requires a microphone and speaker. Snap three-column layouts requires a screen that is 90-20 effective pixels or greater in mute and unmute. From the taskbar requires video camera, microphone, and speaker. App, app must be compatible with features to enable global mute and unmute. Spatial sound requires supporting hardware and software. Microsoft Teams requires video camera, microphone, and speaker. Then touch requires a screen or monitor to support multi-touch. Two-factor authentication requires use of PIN, biometric, fingerprint reader, or illuminated infrared camera, or a phone with a Wi-Fi Bluetooth capabilities. Voice typing requires PC with a microphone, syempre. Wake on voice requires modern standby power model and microphone. Then Wi-Fi 6E requires new WLAN, IHB, hardware and driver, and a Wi-Fi 6E capable AP router. Windows allow requires camera configured for near infrared or IR imaging or authentication. Windows projection requires a display adapter that supports Windows Display Driver model or WDM 2.0 and a Wi-Fi adapter that supports Wi-Fi Direct. Xbox Hub requires an Xbox Live account which is not available in all regions. Then this is virtual. The next is virtual machine support. The following configuration requirements apply to VMS running on Windows 11. Generation 2. Then storage 64 GB or greater. Security secure boot capable virtual TPM enabled. Memory 4 GB or greater. Processor 2 or more virtual processor. The VM host CPU must also meet Windows 11 processor requirements. Then in note note in place upgrade of existing generation, one VMS to Windows 11 is not possible. Note again, these procedures to configure required VM settings depend on the VM host type or VM host RAM virtualization or VTXTD. VTX, then VTD must be enabled in BIOS. Then, note again, procedures to configure required VM settings depend on the VM host type. For VM host running Hyper 5, virtualization VTX and VTD must be enabled in BIOS. Virtual TPM 2.0 is simulated in the guest VM independent of the Hyper-V host TPM presence
So
or
nandito tayo ngayon
protection
sa
ng
installation guidelines for Windows 11. So kanina diniscuss na ni JC yung about sa system requirements for Windows 11. So before you begin installing Windows 11, so make sure that device you want to install Windows 11 is magmi-meet siya doon sa system requirements ng computer mo. So paano ba natin malalaman kung pasok ba yung computer natin doon sa system requirements ng Windows 11? Meron tayo ditong PC Health Check. So, ano ba ginagawa ng PC Health Check? So, meron dito na-provide na sa link, na link sa ibaba, which kung gusto niyo tingnan. Yan. So, ang ginagawa ng PC Health Check is scan niya, sine-check niya kung pasok ba yung computer natin. So, once na magsasabi naman yan kung pasok, so, once na nalaman na natin na pasok yung computer natin sa system requirements, is pwede na tayong mag-install ng Windows 11. So, paano ba mag-install or mag-upgrade ng Windows? So, una muna sa pag-upgrade. So, kadalasan kasi kung gumagamit ka ng Windows 10 is meron siyang magpapakita siya sa Windows update ng Windows 10 ha. So, once na pag may ganyan, matik na lumabas na may download install is matik na yan na supported yung computer mo ng Windows 11. So, So if you're upgrading from Windows 10, we recommend you wait until you're notified through Windows Update that the upgrade is ready for your device to check if Windows 11 is ready for your device. So kadalasan kasi sa akin, walang ganyan. So, dati kasi excited akong gumamit ng Windows 11 and wala pa siya na lumabas na ganyan. So, kadalasan itong ginawa ko. So, yan. Mas maganda yan. Pero mas prefer ko pa rin na antayin nyo na lang dun sa Windows update nyo. Pero kung talagang pasok naman yung computer niyo dun sa system requirements, which is, pero wala pa rin lumalabas, pwede nyo siyang i-download. So, ganyan. Same link din pa nito, same website pa rin. Makikita siya sa ibaba. So, once na dinaload mo yung download na yan, magda-download lang yan, mag-i-install siya. So, ganyan, mag-a-accept ka lang. Yan. Matagal ang process na yan, guys. Sobrang tagal as in. Yan, tapos na yan, magaganyan siya. And after nun, yan, done, tapos na. So, siguro, right now, I'm using Windows 11. So, kunting pasilip na lang siguro, no, kung ano ba itsura niya pag ginagamit. So, yun. So, nandito tayo ngayon. So, hello again. And ayun, pinapakita ko na sa inyo, ito yung itsura ng So, ito yung itsura ng Windows 11. So, computer ko ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon. This is tingin kadala. So, at ayun, nandito ngayon. At ayun, papakita ko na sa inyo yung itsura ng Windows 11. So, ito yung ganito lang itsura ng Windows 11. Ganyan. Di ba kadalasan sa Windows 10 is itong mga nasa baba, sa may bandang taskbar is sa gilid sila nakalagay. So, ngayon, nandito na sila sa center na sila, which is sobrang ganda. And ito yung start, ganyan, start button niya. So, ganyan siya ka-smooth gamitin yung Windows 11. Yan, yan, search button niya. Yan, dito din yung nakalagay yung niya, Wi-Fi, yung Bluetooth, brightness. Yan, ganyan lang siya. Sobrang smooth niya gamitin. And dito yung calendar. And by the way, I'm using right now is Intel, Intel i5, Intel i5, 8 Gen. Ayan, so, and with 8 GB RAM. So, integrated niya is naka Intel USD graphics 630 and naka Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050. So, yun. Kaya talagang support niya yung Windows 11. And isa sa mga pala na paboritong features ng Windows 11 ito, yung sa bandang split screen. 'Di ba kadalasan sa split screen ng Windows 10 is lang, kumbaga parang patayo lang. Example, ganyan, ganito. So ngayon, sa Windows 11, pwede siyang ganyan. Ganyan, or ganyan. Pili ka. Hmm, yan. Ganyan. Ito isa sa paborito ko na features ng Windows 11. So yun, the best to kapag ka, multitasking, 'di ba? Yun. And so yun lang, yun ang isa sa mga paborito ko. And so yun, ito lang po tayo settings. Yan. Kaya na itsura niya. Diba? Sobrang smooth ng transition lang niya. Makita nyo. Yan, up to date. And lagi nyo kailangan kung kailangan nyo lagi update yung Windows nyo. Para kahit pa paano maging stable siya. And speaking of stable pala, kung tiyatanong nyo sa akin kung ano mas magandang gamitin, yung Windows 10 ba or yung Windows 11, siguro pagdating sa stability, siguro panalo pa rin yung Windows 10 kasi mas stable talaga eh. Stable na yung Windows 10 compare sa bago na Windows 11. Pero pagdating sa aesthetic, panalo yung Windows 10 like legit, sobrang ganda. Gusto ko yung UI ng Windows 10. So yun lang, no. So yun lang po, ma'am. And yun lang guys. Doon nagtatapos ang about sa Windows 11. So yun, thank you.